Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was the work you were giving yesterday, which you got the tally, the frequency, you got everything there, okay? And
Okay.
how you were able to do that, say, we're counting the digits and we're recording it on the table, like four appeared four times in all of the data. That's why we have five times. So we have one, two, three, four, five. So that's five. Then five appeared eight times. So if we count the number of fives here, there are eight. So one, two, three, four, five, and one, two, three. That's eight. Then the number of six there are ten. So one, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. That's ten. So that's how we got all of the digits that are on this table and entirely. And because we said they might go further to say we should find the mean. So say mean is addition of all the digits divided by total entry. If you count them one by one, like one, two, three, four, five, we reach 31. So that's why this sum up to 31. So if we sum everything up, if we sum everything up and we get the actual value of 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus this, that's not going to be 31, but that's going to be a number. But if we count them one by one, we reach 31 pieces of those numbers or 31 digits. So adding all the 31
Yeah.
digits together can be a little bit cumbersome. That's why we have to say, okay, how many fours are there? Five, and that's 20. How many fives are there? That's eight pieces, and that's 40. How many six are there? That's 10, and that's 60. How many sevens are there? That's 60, that's 42. How many eights are there? That's 2, and that's 16. So with that, we're able to add all of this together as being the sum of all these numbers, and it gives us 178. So if we have the 178 divided by the total entry, which is 31, then we have our mean. And why must we arrange from the smallest to the biggest is because we must arrange in order to get our median. If they ask you to find median, you can get median by just arranging them randomly, but from the smallest to the biggest and find the one that stands in the middle position. Now, if you line up 31 numbers, you pack 15 to the right and 15 to the left, that's 30. The one at the middle will be at the 16th position when you count from right to left. So what we're trying to say is that all of these numbers have been lined up. This tally represents each of the number 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, um, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Like you're lining up all of the numbers. So the one that falls in 16th position, and how did we get that? There's a formula for that. We're going to look at the 31, which is the total number. Then we had 1 because it's an odd number. That's why we got 16th position. We had 1, that's 32 divided by 2. The midpoint is 16th position. Then, if it's an even number like 30, then definitely the 15th position will be the middle, which is 15th position. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. Then with that, we're able to find our median as the one that falls in the 16th position, where we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Like four, how many fours? There are five. That means the fifth position is still four. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 position is 5. Then we start from 6, 14, 15, 16. So the 16th one is a 6. That's why our median is 6. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. Then the mode is the number out of all of these 4, 5, 6 of the one that appeared most. So 6 appeared 10 times, which is the highest frequency, and that is our mode. Then range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. Biggest on the data set is 8, smallest is 4. So 8 minus 4 gives us 4. That's our range. Now we have this question that you were given as assignment before. Can quickly look at it and see what we can do to that. Firstly, we need our frequency stuff here. Then we can group this data, like I said, but even if we're not going to group it, we can just get, let's say, let me try to get this. So if I'm going to write this data, I have this spot. I have 0 as the first, I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this can take, so I need some more spaces at the bottom there to take up to 13. So if I get this, I have this out then show just press this. So now that's 10, then 11, um, 12 and 13. But the main thing is that I don't even have 11. So let me check all the numbers. I have 0, 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 5, 6, 7, I have 8, I have 9, I have 10. But there's no 11 when I have 12 and 13. So I can say 12 and 13. So with that, how many zeros can I see there? Maybe only one zero. So there's
One.
one. Yeah, good. How many one can I see there? Only one.
Uh,
Only one, right?
yeah.
How many
One.
twos can I see there? One,
Uh,
two,
one, two,
two. That is
two. Yeah.
one, two. Then this is
Okay.
a tally. Yeah. Y this is the frequency and can call this X. So this is the frequency. So frequency for this is one, for this is one, for this is two. Then how many threes can I see there? That's one. Only one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How many fours can I see there? This is one.
Mm, so,
Only one, right?
yeah.
So how many fives can I see there? So we have one,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four.
four.
Four fives. So that is one, two, three, four. Then I have four. How many six can I see there? One,
One, two,
two,
two.
just two. So one, two, then I have
Yeah.
two. How many seven can I see there? One, two,
One, two.
only two. So one, two, that's two. How many eight can I see there? One, only
One.
one. I have one.
Mhm.
How many nine can I see there? That's one,
One,
two,
two.
only two. Then how many ten can I see there? One, two,
One,
three, right?
two. Yeah.
So how many 12 can I see there? One, two,
One,
three,
two,
four,
three,
five.
four.
So one, two, three, four, five. Then that's five. How many 13 can I see there? Maybe
One.
it's only one, right? Yeah.
Mm,
But that
yeah.
10, I think there is still one that I have not ticked, which is this 10. So let's count the tens again. One, two, three, four.
Mm-hmm.
Is it just four? Maybe I didn't tick that one. So one, two, three. Then on the next line, four. Any other 10? No. So the tens are four, okay? So I'm going to change
Okay.
this one to 4. So that's why we must be very careful when we're doing this. We must be able to count. So this is 4. So if I add up the frequency, I call it summation F. So 1 plus 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 4 plus 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22 plus that's 27, okay? And if we count our
Okay.
data set, all of this, you're going to see 27 pieces, 27 pieces. Okay, now we move on to the next job. We have done the frequency distribution table. The next thing is to find the fx, which is like to get a mean. So to get a mean, it means we want to add up everything, but instead of adding up everything, we just multiply the x and the f. So fx. 0 times 1 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay? 6 times 2 is 12.
Okay.
7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 1 gives 8. 9 times 2 gives 18. And 10 times 4 gives 14. Then 12 times 5 gives what? 60, and 13 times 1
60.
is 13. So right now, we have to add up all of these values. So if we add them all up, we're going to have summation fx, which is addition of all the entries given. So here we have 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 20 is 32, okay?
Okay.
32 plus 12 is 44. Then 44 plus 14 is 58. 58 plus 8 is 66. And 66 plus 18 is 84. 84 plus 40 is 124. And 124 plus 60 is 184. 184 plus 13 is 197. Okay? So that's
Okay.
going to give us 197. Very quickly, let's cross check to be sure that the answer is right. So this is 1, this is 5, this is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, right?
Yeah.
Then 12 plus 20, that's 32, right? Right? 32 plus 14,
Yeah.
that's 46. What I know, 48. Okay. 46
Mm.
plus 8, that's what? 54, right?
Mm.
54 plus 18,
Mm.
that's 72 plus 40, that's 112 plus 60, 172. Wait, I think this is giving me 185 now. Let me try it again for the last time, okay? So
Okay.
this is 5, right?
Yeah.
Plus 3, that's what? 8.
8.
Then plus 4, that's what? 12. Plus 20, right? Right?
Yeah.
That's 32. 32 plus 12 is what? 44, right?
44.
44, 44
Yeah.
plus 14 is 58. I think this is the correct one. 58 plus 8, that's 66. Okay,
Is
66 plus
66.
18, that's 84.
It's
84 plus
84.
40, that's 124. 124
That's
plus 60, that's 184. And 184 plus 13, that's 187. So we are correct at the first instance, okay? Now,
okay.
mean now equal to summation fx over summation f, which is 197 divided by 27, okay?
Okay.
So if we divide 197, let's see, 197 divided by 27, that's going to give me 7.29, approximately 7.3, okay?
Okay.
Then to get our median, we're going to see that we have odd number total entries, which is 27. So median is going to be n plus 1, which is 27 plus 1. If it's even, don't add anyone, just divide by 2 and get a position. So 27 plus 1 is 28 over 2. That's the one that stands in the 14th position, okay? So let's start counting. Which digit is the
Okay.
14th? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 7, okay?
Okay.
So our median is 7. Then what about our mode? The one that occurred most. Which number appeared most in the frequency? The highest is 5, right? And that's 12, okay? What about our range? Our range
Okay.
is the biggest minus smallest, okay? Biggest minus what? Smallest.
Small.
Smallest.
Small. Yeah.
So what's the biggest data in the number we're given? 13. What's the smallest? 0. So our range is
Yeah.
13. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Very good. So very quickly before we shut down and before we round up the class, I'm going to explain these 2 by 2 digits so that you can do the remaining as homework. Okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
We have 32 times 39 in the first place. 32 times 39. The first digit multiply the 2 at the top, okay? That's
Okay.
9 times 2 gives me 18, I keep 1. 9 times 3 gives me 27, plus the 1 I kept there. That is 28, okay? Then the next digit multiply the
Okay.
2 again. But when you are multiplying with this is tens and units, and 3 is under tens, so the answer must start under tens. Is that clear? So
Yeah.
3 times 2 is 6. I put it under tens because I'm under tens. Then 3 times 3 is 9. Then I add up the two layers of multiplication. There is nothing here. So 0, 8 plus nothing is 8. Okay?
Okay.
Then 8 plus 4, 6 is 14. I keep 1. Then 1 plus the 9, that's 10, plus that's 12. So the answer is 1,248. So this is the way I would want you to do every other question on this as homework, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and you're going to submit. One will be by the next weekend. So,
Yeah.
Israel, that's where we rounding up your class. You can get your sister from me, okay?
Mm.
All right, so expect your homework in the mail.